All right, this is how to do the IXL Algebra 1 J4, solve two-step linear equations. Now, as these probes get more and more advanced, it's going to become increasingly more difficult for me to kind of show you the probe and show you the problem and how to do it. So I'm going to do my best by showing you the probe over here and explaining and showing my work over here in a Word document for you. First thing I want you to notice is at the top, I wrote SADMAP. All right, now SADMAP is just PEMDAS backwards. So when we're trying to solve an equation, we want to undo order of operations. So we're going to actually deal with subtraction and addition first, then division and multiplication, then our exponents, then our parentheses. So here, okay, I have B. Let's see if I can get this to do it for me. Let's see. Insert equation. Here we go. So let's see if I can get it. So I have B divided by 3 plus 5 equals 7. So how am I going to do this? Okay. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I am going to try to follow SADMAP, and I am going to get rid of my addition first. Okay, my addition. So how do I do that? Well, I simply subtract 5. So I'm going to do minus 5 and minus 5. Okay, and let's see. So 7 minus 5 is going to give me 2. So I still have the B over 3. Now, plus 5 minus 5, they cancel, so I'm just left with equals 7 minus 5 is 2. So I have B divided by 3 equals 2. And now what I'm going to do is I need to get rid of that divided by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3. So when I multiply by 3, okay, those 3's right there are going to cancel. All right, and I'm simply going to get B equals 6. Say, come over here and I can type in 6. Now, here's how I can check my work. If I plug 6 in for B, I have 6 divided by 3 is 2, plus 5 is 7. So I know I did it right. All right, let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. So I have 1 equals 4h. Uh-oh. Here we go. 1 equals 4h minus 11. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 11 to both sides. Add 11. Okay, notice how I'm lining up my numbers. Okay, so I can clearly see that I'm trying to get rid of the minus 11 and the 11. Okay, by doing that, by adding 11. Now I lined up my 1 and 11, and here we go. So 1 plus 11 is 12 equals, well, minus 11 plus 11, that cancels, so I'm left with 12 equals 4h. Now, I want to get rid of this 4, so what I'm going to do is I am going to divide by 4. And I'm going to divide this by 4. And that gives me 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 4 divided by 4 is just leaving me with h. So I have 3. Now I can type that in, and I can go ahead and check my work. Does 1 equal 4 times 3? Well, that's 12 minus 11. So 12 minus 11 is 1. So 1 equals 1. All right, and that's how you do it. That's how you guys solve two-step equations, the IXL probe J